Dear students, hope all are safe at home. Welcome to the lesson, Is Matter Around Us Pure? In the previous class, you have learned some of the terms, please. Yes, types of mixtures, what is a true solution, examples and its properties. Okay, dear ones, today we are going to see another type of solution, suspension. This word you have heard many times, suspense and suspension. This word you have heard. It is mainly related with the vehicle suspension. If it is there, the traveling will be very smooth. But it is one of the type of solution, suspension. Okay. I have taken 2 glasses with water. And in the first one, I am going to add chalk powder and I am mixing it. Okay, chalk powder I mixed. In the second one, I am adding some sand. Okay. Now, these two are solutions. Am I right? Because one is solute and another one is solvent. And here also, chalk powder is solute, water is solvent. Here, then soil is solute. Good. Different colors. Dear ones, are you noticing any difference? And what is the difference from these two solutions with sugar solution? Yes, the solution was very clear. Here, top layer is very clear, but when it is going down, it is not clear. Same thing here also. So what is the meaning? Yes, the solute particles are not evenly distributed in the solvent. Both cases also. So, which type of mixture it is? Well, heterogeneous mixture. So, suspension is an example of heterogeneous mixture. That is the first point. Second point, I can see the solute particles with my naked eye. See, chalk powders settle down. I can see with my eyes. But in the case of true solution, we cannot see with our naked eye because the solute particles are very small. But here, the particle size is bigger. So, we can see with our naked eye. That is the second point. Third point, first when it was prepared, it scatter light. That means it allow the light to passes through. But after some time, the solute particles are settled down. Have you seen the top layer is very clear? Now, it will not allow light to pass through and does not takes place scattering. Okay? And one more property of its, we can separate solute particle from the solution. Okay, now I am going to pour this solution. I am pouring. Now I can see this soil particles are settled down in tissue paper and the solution is now clear. So we can separate solid particles in the case of suspension by the process of filtration. Okay, these are the properties of suspension. First one is suspension is a heterogeneous mixtures. The solute particles can be seen with our naked eye. Third point, it allows light to pass through and scattering will take place. Fourth point, we can separate solute particles by the process of filtration. When it is kept aside for some time, solute particles will be settled down. The solution will be clear. Now, scattering will not take place and it does not allow light to pass through. These are the properties of suspension. Okay, my dear ones, hope you understood today's topic. Take care.